Elementary teachers, growing a garden with your class is probably a new skill for most of you. And on top of that, you're probably thinking you don't have time, budget, and approvals for it. In future videos, I'm going to address all of those and give you all the solutions to them. And I'm also doing that in the free webinar that I'm running till the end of January called School Gardens with Ease 2024. Go grab your spot and get all the answers in there. But today I want to focus on the skills part of it. You probably think you don't know how to grow food, therefore you can't grow it with your class. But what if I told you that growing a garden with a class, with the students in a school environment is much more about teaching than it is about gardening? Yes, you do need to know how and when and what to grow where. And I do have videos and information on my website and everywhere that helps teachers with the growing aspect of it. But trust me when I say that is the easy part. Again, I'm saying this for the second time in this video, but it's worth hearing twice. Growing a garden with your class is a lot more about teaching than it is about gardening. And that's good news because you're a teacher. So instead of worrying about the easy part, which is the growing, focus on your curriculum, on all the things that you want to teach in this garden. And there's 1,000,001 different things that can be connected to a garden in your language, math, social studies, science, etc. So you need to start writing those lesson plans. And on the School Gardens with Ease 2024 webinar, I cover all of those, plus I show you how to write those lesson plans. Go grab your spot.